Hello children, how are you? I hope all are good at home. Today our topic name is highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Here greatest means or highest means biggest or largest. C means common. Common is something shared or in common. Factors means factors are the parts of the multiplication facts. So today our topic name is HCF or GCD. First Roman. Find the HCF of first A problem 18 and 24. 18 and first we will find HCF in factorization method. So 18 we can write as product of two numbers like 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. Then 24 we can write as product of two numbers like 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So the factors of 18 equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. The factors of 24 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Common factors of common factors of 18 and 24 equal to 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both and 3 is common in both and 6 also common in both. So 1, 2, 3, 6. In this which is the highest? 6. So therefore HCF highest common factor of 18 and 24 equal to 6. This is factorization method to find the HCF. We have other problem 20, B problem 20 and 48. So first 20, take 20. This we can write product of two numbers like 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. So these are the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 48 we can write as product of two numbers like 1 into 48, 2 into 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 into 24, sorry 3, 3 into 3 1s are 3, 1 8 18, 3 6 are 18, 4 into 1 4s are 4, 1 2 4s are 8, 4 into 12 and 5 is not divisible by 20, 48. So 6 take, 6 8s are 48. So the factors of 20 equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. The factors of 48 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Common factors of 20 and 48 equal to 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both and 4 is common in both No one is common other than 2, 4 and 1. So the common factors of 20 and 48 is 1, 2, 4. Therefore, HCF, highest common factor of 20 and 48 is equal to 4. Okay, this is factorization method for finding HCF, children. We have another method in second Roman. Find the HCF of the following by prime factorization method. Find the HCF of the following by prime factorization method. Here given numbers are 24 and 28. Do you know, children, prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, so on. These are the prime numbers. You have to take prime numbers as a factors. So first we are taking 24. 24 is divisible by 2 because 1's place is 4, no? So 4 is divisible by 2. 2 12s are 24. 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 28 is also divisible by 2 because its 1's place is 8. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. Again this 14 is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14. 7 is a prime number. So 7 is divisible by 1. 7 one time. So 1 7s are 7. So the factors of factors of 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. The factors of 28 equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. COMMON, common factors of 24 and 28 equal to 2, 2, 1. We won't take 1. So 2 into 2. Therefore, the HCF of 24 and 28 equal to 4. Okay, this is prime factorization method for finding HCF. One more question. Here given 3 numbers in G problem: 90, 126 and 162. So 90 we can write as 2 into 45. 45 we can write as 5 into 9. 9 we can write as 3 into 3. 3 ones are 3. Then 126. So its units place is 2. So it is, its units place is 6. It is divisible by 2. So 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. 63 2 are 26. Again it is divisible by 3 because its 1's place is 3, no? So 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 63 is divisible by 3. 3 2's, 1 3's are 3. Then again 21 is divisible by 3. 7's are 21. 7 is a prime number. 7 1's are 7. Next we have 162. its ones place is 2. So it is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. 81. Its ones place is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. Take 3. 8 plus 1 is 3. Sorry, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 3. 3 2s 6, 2 1 21, 7 3 is 21. Then 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. Again this 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 90 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Then the factors of 126 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 7s are 126. The factors of 162 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, 54 3s are 162. So these are the factors of 90, 126 and 162. Common factors. Factors is equal to 2, 3, 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore HCF of 90, 126 and 162 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. This is the fourth Roman. Find the HCF of the following by the short division method. So here given three numbers 44, 88 and 154. 154. Here given three numbers. You have to find the HCF by short division method. So in short division method we are taking three numbers 44, 88 and 154 at a time. So these three numbers is divisible by which number? Its ones place is 4, 44, 8, 4. These are all divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. So again these all numbers divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44, 11 7s are 77. So in this 2, 4 and 7 has no common multiple. So you have to stop here and therefore the common factors of 44, 88 and 154 equal to 2 into 11. Because these two is divisible by 44 and 88 and 154. And 11 is divisible by 22 and 144 and 77. Here 2, 4 and 7 has no common multiples. So we are stopping here. The common factors of the 48, 88 and 154 is equal to 2 into 11. So therefore HCF of 44, 88 and 154 is equal to 2 11s are 22. This is the short division method for finding HCF. So another problem, B problem 60, 80 and 100. Three numbers take at a time 80 and 100. These three numbers having ones place is 0. So it is divisible by 2. 2, 3 is the 6, 0. 2, 4 is the 8, 0. 2, 5 is the 10, 0. Again this is divisible by 5. These all divisible by 5. 6 5 is the 30, 8 5 is the 40, 10 5 is the 50. Again these are all divisible by 2. 2 3 is the 6, 2 4 is the 8, 2 5 is the 10. So therefore these are 3 4 5 have not have common factors. So leave this one here only, up to here only. So therefore the common factors of 60, 80 and 100 is equal to 2 into 5 into 2. Therefore HCF of 60, 80 and 100 is equal to 2 5 are 10, 10 2s are 20. This is the HCF of 60, 80 and 100 is 20. Children, practice the homework. I will give you homework and do the homework. Thank you. Children, practice these sums and do the homework I will give you. Thank you.